Look at these concrete giants. They feel so hollow. The world outside is heavy, drowned in a blue, silent fog. Sometimes, the walls of your own room feel like a cage. You sit in the dark, waiting for the weight to lift. But it doesn't. You have to break the cycle yourself. One touch, and the cold yields to the spark.